Hey guys, I'm back on my pasta kick. I'm finna show you how to make brown butter mushroom pasta. Yep, you're gonna love this one too. Let's go. Okay, let's get started with our ingredients. So right here we have our spaghetti pasta. Now guys, you can use fettuccine if you want to. We have some mushrooms, we sliced them thinly, butter, fresh parsley chopped, some thyme, garlic, fresh garlic minced, salt, pepper, olive oil. And right here we have some brioche breadcrumbs. I made this myself. Just got me some brioche bread, put it in the oven, and cut it up into breadcrumbs. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. As always, we're gonna start by preparing our pasta. So I got my water right here, it's already boiling. So what I'm gonna do is start adding our spaghetti pasta. And guys, you're just gonna cook this according to the box instructions. And I'm gonna throw a little salt in here. Got the salt in my water. All right, so while our pasta is cooking, we're gonna head back over to our cooktop and we're gonna start making our brown butter mushroom sauce. All right, now that we're at our cooktop, I've already turned it on, it's heating up. And while it's heating up, we're going to add our olive oil here. All right, so as we're heating up our olive oil, we're gonna add our breadcrumbs. And what we're gonna do with these breadcrumbs, we're just gonna cook them until they're toasty and brown. Guys, you want to keep an eye on this because you don't want to overcook it and you don't want to burn it. It looks like I'm good right here. I have it the color that I want, so I'm just going to pause our heat. And I'm going to transfer this back over into a bowl and we're going to set it aside, and then we're going to continue with our brown butter mushroom sauce. Now that our breadcrumbs have been set aside, what we're going to do now is we're going to start adding our butter. And we're gonna start getting our butter melted in our pot. Let's unpause our heat. We're gonna move this around. And now as your butter starts to foam, as you can see right there, you wanna start adding your garlic. And we're gonna get this moved around, and you wanna cook this for about a minute till you start getting that fragrance from the garlic. All right, so now we're gonna come behind that with our mushrooms. We're gonna add that. And you want to make sure before you add your mushrooms, you don't cook your butter too long, because you don't want your butter to evaporate. You want to get some of that butter flavor over our mushrooms. And of course, mushrooms always release their own liquid too, their own water. And we're going to also add our thyme in here too. And we're going to cook these till the mushrooms are tender for about 3 to 5 minutes. All right, so now we're gonna season it with some pepper and our salt. Okay, we are good here. So I'm going to pause our heat. I'm gonna bring our pasta over. Our pasta is done. So I'm gonna add our pasta here to our pan. And we're gonna get this tossed around. Man, take a look at this right here. Oh. Man, that looks great. All right, so now let's go ahead and get this plated up, and we're gonna put the finishing touches on it, headed to our final presentation and quality control, all right? And now what we're gonna do is add our breadcrumbs to the top like that. And we're gonna come behind that, of course, with our parsley. There you have it, brown butter mushroom pasta. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. Also, I'm gonna leave the measurements and the ingredients in the video description below. Let's go ahead and get into quality control because I'm ready to test this out. Man, it looks good and it smells good. Let's go. All right, so we're back in here for quality control, guys. Got my pasta here on my plate. Man, this looks good. Man, take a look. Look at it. Look at that. Oh man. Oh yeah. I'm gonna eat all this too. Don't think I'm not. I'm gonna get this thing twisted up here on this fork like this. Oh man, look at that. Let's try it again, just to be sure. Guys, A very simple pasta, lots of flavor. Again, another pasta, don't have to worry about putting any meat in it, man. This is good the way it is. And I'm gonna tell you, once upon a time, I hated mushrooms. Oh man, I love me some mushrooms now. That brown butter sauce with that garlic and that mushrooms in it, it is so good, so delicious. Man, those breadcrumbs on top of it help sets it off. Really, really good. So you can make this as a complete meal, or you can step it up and add you some meat. Either way, it's gonna be delicious. So until then, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything, and y'all already know I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot, and I need to get back to this pasta, and I'm out. Peace.